Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful and very easy butterfly for kids. Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing the butterfly's head, face, eyes, and tail. Now I'm going to draw the body, and then the left two wings. Next, I draw the two fins on the right, like this. Then beautiful heart. Last heart and one small circle. Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I will add pink color to the two upper petals of the butterfly. Wow, that's great! Now I'm giving the green color to the lower wings of the butterfly. Wow, awesome! Then I'll give the hearts a blue color, all yellow color all over the body and face. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!